Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're Garden of the Gods wilderness area. Gonna do part of the Anvil rock trailhead. So let's check it out. You are here. Ring. Feral campground, big nature area, all different trails, Indian Point, Camel Rock. So we're gonna be heading out into the natural area. They got a lot of dogs on the trail today. Hello. Hello. Hey puppy. So here's a little dirt path. So you're coming into this wilderness area. Goes down some rocks. And from what I remember, that's one way down to the bottomlands. We're going to continue on a little bit further up here. We're going to hit Anvil Rock. All the cool banding. Look at the beautiful banding out here. This is amazing. Look at that. I think tens of thousands or millions of years of water, erosion, waves, all sorts of stuff in an undersea cavern somewhere created all this beauty. You got different elements reflected in the different colors of the rock bands. Not to be confused with Kiss, Ozzy Osbourne, Styx, Iron Maiden. Not those kind of rock bands. These ones are cooler. This is always a part where I gotta watch out that I don't hit my head, because 4 times out of 5 I hit my head. Not always when I come through, but when I come back. Bonk. So just kind of be careful. But it's beauty. That's the part right there you gotta watch out for, or you'll bonk your head. It's beautiful out here. This is the wilderness. A lot of these little trails meander about. Eventually they meet up with horse trails. But yeah, you can see right here, there's areas you can walk down. Head on down the road. Be out here in the wilderness, getting lost, all sorts of good things. This would be a nice little place to camp. It's too close to all the other trail areas and such, but there are some areas out here where there are a few campsites further out when you got like the horse trail and stuff that you merge up with. But Indian Point Trail, there's plenty of campsites out there along that and out in the wilderness. So I have to do it sometime. I've been wanting to for several years. So here I am. This is beautiful. This little rock. Nice view of the forest. This is awesome. It's nature's toilet. Well, heading back up. So it was pretty fun. Down in the woods. Heading back up the trail. Getting closer to all the big rocks up here. You got the regular trail going up there. There's a Indian couple we saw on trail going by just a little bit ago. That's where you gotta watch it, right there. Don't want to hit your head. Well, everybody, I call this a wrap. Back here near the parking lot. So, getting close to dark time. I want to get out of here and 2.5 hour drive back home in the dark. Be avoiding the deer. Thump, 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 thump. Yeah. So if you're ever out here, Garden of the Gods, check out the wilderness area, Anvil Rock, all sorts of, you know, little nature trails you can just kind of go off. But it's easy to get lost, so you might want something like a backcountry or an Avenza app or All Trails or something like that. Just research which one has the area in it. I know I see a few trail maps kind of marked on the Onyx backcountry and hunt stuff. But, you know, each app's going to vary a little bit. But, anywho, rambling on. If you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.